guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the F56. This car has had yellow underglow on it for like 2.5, 3 years now. And finally, a lot of the LED strips are failing me. So they've been through a lot of abuse and it's time to replace them. I think that we're gonna go ahead and replace them with the like sequential LEDs that can do the color rotating and they shift colors and all that, and move on from simply the yellow. So I'm pretty stoked about that because I think those look so cool. So that is what we are getting started on now.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage, I gotta go.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. Tryna get my attention, tryna get your redemption, but now that I'm gone, you want me back. Yeah, I gave you everything, gave you a diamond ring to watch it fall from your head. I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret.
the Underglow is all buttoned up. It is all finished. It is all completely swapped over. I am so hyped. I love the sequences. It looks so freaking good. I am stoked. I am stoked. I'm so happy. And now the LED is all lit up all the way down the side and there's not patches missing and whatnot. So it actually looks really good again. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was actually a very simple process since I already had Underglow hooked up to just swap it out. Peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one very soon.